Out of tissue paper? Here are 7 things you can use instead. Try using a decorative napkin. Peel off the inner layer. Overlap the napkins at a slight angle. I used 2 different colored napkins to match the gift bag. Fold each side into the middle so the points are showing, and you can see both colors. Twist the bottom. Fluff the top like a bouquet of flowers. There are so many amazing napkin designs you can use. It looks so pretty in the gift bag. Wait till you see the next hack. Here's how to make a wrapping paper fan for a gift bag. Cut a piece of wrapping paper and fold it in half. Cut the corners into a curved shape. Fold the paper accordion style. Tape the bottom and fan out. Turn up the bottom to secure the end. And hold together with a piece of tape. Separate the folds. Isn't that pretty? Place in the gift bag. It's so elegant. You won't believe the next hack. You can use tulle ribbon instead of tissue paper for a gift bag. Make 3 big loops on each side. Cinch in the center with a twist tie. This will make a fluffy bow. Trim the ends to make tails. Separate the loops, fluff, and put in the gift bag. It fits nicely on top of your present. Isn't that pretty? See what's next. If you're out of tissue paper, try this coffee filter hack. Separate 7 coffee filters and fold them in half. And fold them again. Trim the edges and the curves, give it a nice rounded look. Cut slits between each curve. Separate the filters. Press a stem or a wooden skewer through the center of a coffee filter. Add glue, fold up, and twist. Do this for all of the 7 filters. After the last filter is on, do a final twist. Fluff for a beautiful flower. Place in the gift bag for a beautiful filler. See what's next. If you're out of tissue paper, try using curling ribbon instead. Cut 9 pieces of ribbon, twice the length of the gift bag. Wrap a twist tie around the center of the ribbon to secure. Glue onto a small piece of cardboard. This gives a foundation for the curling ribbon and keeps it together. Use scissors to curl all the pieces of ribbon. Separate and fluff the curls. Place in the gift bag. Isn't that fun? You're gonna love the next hack. If you're out of tissue paper, use beautiful wired ribbon instead. Make loops and fold into the middle. Cinch the center to form a bow and secure with a twist tie. Measure the lengths of the tails and cut into a V shape. Glue a paper straw to the back of the bow for stability. Fluff the bow and place it in the gift bag. One left. Out of tissue paper, the gift bag filler can be an extra gift, like this adorable plushie. Doesn't it look cute? Click the link to see how to decorate the bag shown in this video. Subscribe for more DIYs. Till next time, bye!